2024. Here we have Viršuliškių gatvė 35. This is 36. It was just built in 1977.
Yes.
Still the original with, yeah, of course, amazing sounds from the machine room.
Yeah. Here appears LF01725.
And the capacity is 4 press 420 grams. Only the ventilation was, holes were replaced, unfortunately.
Yeah.
And they covered on the front.
Yeah.
Love the sounds in the smell here.
Yeah, so he's did paikki vaiskutat meitä passilla.
Almost sounds like a clearer machine.
Yeah.
The sound is working well.
Yeah.
Even from this era, they should be working well if they're maintained.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are not badly vandalized. Because unfortunately some are vandalized.
Yeah. That's